So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about aspects of product quality. So there are different aspects of quality. Um, when it comes to quality, we are going to discuss some aspects like aesthetics, performance, durability, features, etc. So we'll start with the different aspects. That is aesthetics. Aesthetics means a subjective judgment of a product's look, feel, sound, taste, or smell. So that kind of aspect is what aesthetics brings. Okay, if you look at the product, you will feel something, okay, or you are tasting something, or you have smell something. So that is comes under the aspect called aesthetics. So there are another aspect like conformance. So conformance means complaints of a product's aesthetic characteristics with predetermined physical or performance characteristics slash standards. So we are going to make sure it complies with uh, the characteristics of predetermined standards. Okay, that is what conformance means. Durability. Durability means the amount of use of a product before deterioration means that a replacement is preferable or necessary. So how much life it will come. Okay, the expected life is what durability means. Okay, so always durability means it referred as expected life. So features. So features means it's a properties, distinct properties of a product is called features. So this is one another aspect. So for example, if you take a example a brick. So brick can be check the sound of a brick by testing it the quality check, and we can check the product characteristics of predetermined standard like what is the size of the brick and what is the color of the brick, all those things. Durability is another aspect like what kind of expected life you can see from a small normal brick. It is a first class or second class or third class brick. And features means it is the distinctive properties like length, width, or height of the brick. Okay, the dimensions. So another aspect is perceived quality. So perceived quality means subjective assessment of product quality. This is influenced by product's branding, image, or associated advertising. So perceive means what is the perspective of the public when you look at a product. Okay, when you buy some product or when you look at the product's purchase is influenced by the brand name, image, the associated advertising. So we choose not only based on the quality but also the subjective assessment like perceived quality, what the brand brings to the table. Okay, performance. So performance is one of the important quality aspects of quality, that is the product's primary characteristics of concern when considering the use or operation of the product. So what is the primary characteristics of the product? So product means it might have the primary product characteristics and secondary characteristics. So we need to make sure that it satisfies our primary characteristics. Okay. For example, you can say miles per gallon may be one such characteristics when considering a car. When you purchase a car, you will see what is the miles per gallon. A torque value or thermal resistance might be one such characteristics when considering a duet picture, or sound clarity may be a key characteristics when considering a television. So when you go for buying a television, you go for picture quality and sound clarity. So different products will have different primary characteristics we need to see. Okay. So reliability. So reliability means the product's ability to deliver to required standards. So how it is very reliable. So whether it satisfies the basic standards or not. So under some stated conditions of use over a specific period of time. Okay, that is called reliability. So durability is something different from reliability. Reliability means dependence, whether we can able to depend on this particular product on some over some period of time. So whether it can satisfy some characteristics over a period of time, that is called reliability. whether it's reliable or not. Okay, under basic standard conditions. Serviceability, it is another aspect. Serviceability means the ease and speed of repair and maintenance. Okay, how speed, how quickly you can able to repair it, how quickly you can able to maintain and complete the maintenance process. That is called serviceability aspect of quality. Okay, so aspects of service quality. So far we have seen what is the aspects of product quality, and these are the aspects of service quality. Assurance. So assurance means the employee's knowledge or courtesy and ability to inspire trust and confidence. So that is called service quality. You're doing something based on that you're getting some trust and confidence. Okay, the employees, the ability to inspire or trust or confidence. That is called assurance. Empathy is ability to employees ability to provide customers with caring, individualistic attentions. So it is called empathy. So you're caring someone, individual. They're bringing, making some individualist attention. That is what empathy means. Okay. So reliability here is ability to deliver the promised service dependably and accurately continuously. Okay, you can able to deliver some service accurately throughout some period of time. So that is called reliability. Responsiveness, ability to deliver the service promptly. So you are going to deliver the service, then and there. Okay, you're not delaying or you're not stopping. Okay? So that is called responsiveness. Tangible. So these include the appearance of physical facilities, equipment, and personnel. So that is called tangible. Tangible meaning you're able to measure it. So tangibles means measurable things. Okay, whatever the physical facilities you can able to, machineries, physical facilities, all the things you can able to measure it. Okay, so usually the contractor is responsible for performing quality control, making sure that ease standards are met for the production. Usually the government or third party is responsible for performing quality assurance. Quality assurance is spot checking of contract compliance, test results, and ultimately making sure that quality control process is working. So basically, we need to know two things. What is quality control? Quality assurance. So quality control means you are going to go making sure that standards are meet the production, that is established characteristics. So whether the project satisfies the standards. So quality assurance means you're going to make sure that you are establishing some standards, okay, so that the quality control team will come and check. Okay. Usually, contractor is responsible for quality control, and government or third party, is organized, taking care of quality assurance. So the basic difference is like when you drive a car, what's the difference is like you're driving on a freeway, do it the do it right the first time. It's called preventive quality check. Okay, so quality control means fix it whenever it goes wrong and going wrong. So that is called quality control. Quality assurance means you're going to make sure it prevents the accident or prevent something goes wrong. Prevent it. Okay. So in recent years, the QA is defined to include QC. So there is another aspect like before driving, adjusting seats, mirrors, temp, etc. During driving, occasional glances at speed gauge to ensure speed is not excessive. So these are some preventive measures you can do. Roadsides to read road signs, side mirror before changing the lane. So you have to make sure these are you're taking these preventive measures. Okay. Similarly, there are another preventive measures for depending upon the different work. So driving quality control is so steering to avoid deer crossing the highway, steering to right if car is staying into the left lane, braking to avoid hitting slowed car in front of. So these are some quality control measures you can take while driving on a freeway. Okay. So corrective measures. So this is all my references which I've taken to prepare this lecture. Thank you.